All right, guys, next up we're doing a Tristar mini helmet. This is going to be a random division break. So 8 spots altogether, and every spot gives you one random NFL division. So Donnie's got 2 spots in this, Chris P with 1, Rick M with 1, Nicole's got 2, Alan with 1, and then Derek picked up the last spot. All right, Rick's giving the thumbs down. All right, let's go ahead and randomize the divisions. So we'll mix this up 5 times. Well, man, I'm glad I didn't order another of those. It filled up so quick, I thought, all right, we'll do another one next weekend, but I hate that it's such a high price point, for sure. And the baseball one will be a little bit more. That one may be $100 a spot or something like that, because that one's a little bit higher. But I think every box has got 7 items in that. All right, so here is the division. So Alan, you've got the AFC North. Chris P's got the AFC South. Derek's got the AFC East. Donnie with the NFC West and the NFC South. Nicole's got the NFC North and the NFC East. And then Rick, you've got the AFC West. All right, so chance to pull some pretty nice helmets out of here. You got Tom Brady. John Elway is in this. Bo Jackson. We'll see what we can get. All right, John's calling a Randy White Cowboys. That's actually not a bad idea. Not a bad call at all. I hope you're wrong, though. It is not. It's going to be a Bob Greasy speed helmet for the Dolphins. So that'll be the AFC East. Not bad. At least it's a Hall of Famer. So that'll be going to Derek. Picked up the last spot and paid off, man. Tristar authenticated. Got the card and the sticker in there. Not bad. All right, so Derek, congrats, man. We'll get that helmet dropped in the mail to you tomorrow. And appreciate you guys joining us for this break.